We spent 48 hours in Cartagena, and it might be one of the most colorful cities that I have ever been to. So the first stop, the Old Town. Trust me, you want to do this at sunrise, no crowds, golden light, and this is the perfect time to get the lay of the land and have a super peaceful walk. Cartagena is actually a fully walled city, so I didn't know this when I came, so when I saw it, I was like, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. It was built in the 1500s to protect against pirates, and as you're walking through the gates, it just feels like you're stepping into another time. And by the time the city wakes up, you'll already know your way around, and that's key because it does get busy. So after your walk, coffee always. Colombia is one of the top coffee producers, so yes, if you love coffee, you should get as many coffees as you can. Also, fresh tropical fruit, some probably you've never tried, which is fantastic, eggs, and then you are set for the day. And then the city comes alive, vendors roll in, parks start to fill up, the music starts. One interesting place that we stopped was this artisan shops, which actually used to be a prison, and as you're walking by, you can really see the inside of the old cells. And then we stumbled into one of the most unexpected places. It was the Plazas del Toros, which is a historic bull ring that is actually now inside a luxury mall. It was totally random, but when we got there, it was way worth it. One of my favorite places that we stopped. So by midday, it is hot, like really hot. So you want to do what everyone does, either duck into a restaurant, grab a cold drink, and order some ceviche. And yes, this one, if you can't tell, had ice cream on it, which sounds wild, but it was incredible. Afternoons are also a great time to stop onto the rooftop. So it's cool because you can sneak away from some of the crowds and hear some live music, get a really nice breeze, and have drinks served in coconuts or shells. It's a total vibe. To check out a new spot, we headed over to Boca Grande, which is about a 10-minute taxi ride, and it's a totally different feeling. It's a lot of high rises, more city beaches. So if you are looking for a place to stay that's just a quick ride to Old Town, this could be an option just because it has more affordable places. There's some cool Airbnbs over here where you can get a view of the ocean, and then you can quickly go over to the Old Town. And at night, Cartagena turns all the way up. Street music, dancing, party buses everywhere. It's the kind of place you accidentally stay out way too late. This would be perfect for a girls trip, kind of bachelorette energy. And then we ended our day at a bar that actually had a crypt underneath, which was really kind of cool. And that was day one. So day two, we did it again, early start, had breakfast at the Santa Clara, and even if you're not staying here, you can go and get a meal. The courtyard alone is worth it. Then we went to the fort, and I think it's one of the biggest Spanish forts in the Americas. So go early, there's no shade, it is brutally hot, but the tunnels were my favorite part. They're kind of spooky, kind of amazing. And then when you get through, you can see the entire city, and it is a fantastic view. And then from there, we walked down to Getsemani. This is an artsy, colorful neighborhood. You've definitely seen it on social media. There's umbrella streets, murals, music everywhere. It is one of the most vibrant areas of the city. So by midday, we needed a reset. So back to the hotel pool. The heat here is no joke, so you want to build in time to just relax. Later, we explored the city walls themselves. This is one of the best free things that you can do. You can walk along them. You can sit in these little openings, read a book, just hang out and watch the ocean. And then sunset. So there's a bar right along the wall, and I'm telling you, these sunsets are unreal. Every night it was so beautiful. So if you only have a long weekend or weekend, this is the perfect trip. You get history, beaches, nightlife, food, all in one place. And if you have more time, you can take a boat out to the Rosario Islands if you want to get that clear blue water, or you can check out Baru. The only thing that I would say is a downside is that customs actually took quite a while to get through, but overall, 10 out of 10. We 100% would come back. It is a fun, vibrant town, and you will love it.